Still struggling to find the right equipment to produce oral film products? Our Kizan fully automatic mouth-soluble film packaging machine. It's dedicated to and food film materials. It is equipped with a variable frequency speed control system, which is more energy efficient. It has fully automatic positioning packaging, automatic feeding, automatic positioning, slicing, bagging, sealing, outputting, and so on. The whole process is integrated with horizontal cutting and packaging. It helps enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency, and maximize benefits. All parts that come into contact with the material are made of stainless steel 316L and non-toxic materials. All CNC indicators are controlled by the PLC touch panel. Intelligent. It realizes the integration of film making and packaging. Oral film production solution.